Guys, it finally came. Our PCGS box. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Coin Expert. Today we have a very special unboxing. It's been months and months and months. I don't think I've told you guys about this yet, but we have a PCGS box that has 3 coins in it. 3 very special coins. So I'm going to try to open it up, hoping that this is not the way that they're showing, and it's not. So we have our first coin right here. See if we can get it focused a little bit. Got the ring light today. So, okay, so the first thing I see on here is genuine, not gradable. So that does mean this coin is cleaned. But the detail, hopefully we'll get AU or MS detail on it. This one I was kind of expecting it to be cleaned. It is a very, very nice 20-cent piece. And I mean, the details are incredible. It just has been very lightly cleaned, and I can't get a perfect video right here. I'll have a picture up right now of it. So we're gonna go ahead and uncover the date. So we're gonna go ahead and AU detail. That's perfect. All right. Well, I would have rather gotten not cleaned, obviously, but I was expecting it to get it come back cleaned on this. So that one, very happy about. Obviously could have been better. But then the next one is a trade dollar. Again, we see genuine, not gradable. So that's a bummer. I really didn't think this coin was cleaned. So I guess that's a little bit of a bummer. I mean, it's in, again, very nice condition. Let's see if I can cover up the other side. All you can see is the date there. Let me take it, or I won't do it off camera. Let me just try to get it without showing the date there, or without showing the grade. So again, very nice detail. I'll try to get a picture. The ring light's being a little bit stubborn today, so I'll have a picture up right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my thumb off of it. And this one, okay, again, is going to be AU detail. You know what? I'm okay with that. These are still great condition coins. This one, I do not see genuine, not gradable on it. This one is going to be a, I believe it's $18.99, semi-key date Morgan. So, yeah, so I'm going to try to take it off there. I think we kind of slipped there, but I'm going to try to get this without showing everybody. So that one is, yeah, $18.99, no mint mark, so P. And it's about MS, I feel like it's MS condition, might come back AU, but I was hoping for MS. Definitely a high AU if it comes back AU. So, all right, there we go. AU 58. I'll take it. That's about a $200 coin right there. And with the cost to grade them, that's pretty good. So this is gonna be a little bit of a shorter video, just kind of a grading unboxing. But that's pretty great. That's about $1,000 in coins right there. Especially with them being cleaned. If they weren't cleaned, they might have gotten MS condition. Because when you clean it, obviously it rubs away a little bit at the details, or if you clean it with acid or something, it eats away a little bit at the coin. So if it wasn't cleaned, then there's a possibility that it could have been MS. And I mean, the difference between AU and MS in the red book and the blue book is a couple $100. So of course we'll never know what they think AU, like whether it's AU 50 or AU 58 or something like that on them. But it's pretty cool. I'm very happy about that. So this, obviously, these, I guess not obviously, these are not my coins. These were part of my father's coins. I don't know if I had them. I do not believe I had them in the videos because they were at grading. It's literally how long it's been. So pretty great. And thank you guys for watching this video. And as always, good luck and happy collecting. See you next time.